Assalamu alaikum, merhaba, moi, and greetings everyone. Welcome to another Motogreets video. This one is special. I've tried so many new things. As I check my tire pressures, you can lean back and enjoy the ride. The video starts slow, but I hope you'll enjoy every moment. Let's go.
Oh, it's quite cold, man. When I was pumping up my tire pressure, there was this really cute grandma looking at my bike. She was staring at it. If there's someone you want your bike to be checked by, it should be grandmas. Yeah, girl checking you out. Yeah, whatever. But a grandma checking you out? I mean, she has her grandchildren in her mind, not a super bike. Maybe in her youth she used to ride as well. Who knows? TT, man! I'm getting the tinglings in my little toe hairs whenever I get to these curves in the roundabout, man. I saw a trail of bikes getting there and I'm getting hyped again. Calm down, bro. Bruv. Look at these curves, man. He said you're a biker, you don't belong here. I said hey day. Dude, calm the frick down, man. Oh, it's here. Okay. Oh, this is nice, guys. This is nice. Look, all these cars have to wait, right? But we, as the bikers, we don't have to wait. We can just go through. And I love this about these cars here because they realize that and they go to the side. Look at this! Ah! Thank you, sir. Thank you, baby on board. Okay. Now I need to be careful not to hit the motorcycle. Oh yeah. I remember this road. There's like this parking spot all over there and a lot of bikes are there, man. If you didn't know, I purchased a lot of business cards with my with like these ones, and I'm gonna go sellout mode in a bit. Ooh, Chevy. That's a nice Chevy. Yeah, it was here, man. Oh my god, you guys do not, if you haven't seen this parking lot, oh my god, man, like the best motorcycles, the most beautiful motorcycles will stand there in a row. And it's amazing, man. It's absolutely mind-boggling, as Jeremy Clarkson would say. Mind-boggling. Can I go through? Can I go through? Yeah, thank you. Oh, it must be sucking to be a car right now. Look at this. People have been coming here since like 7 in the morning, and I'm just passing the. Okay, calm down, man. It's not that. It's not that. Like, if you skip this, unsubscribe my YouTube channel. You don't belong here. This is the build-up that I need. I don't need to edit anything. This is. All right, now we have to stop as well. But this, man, this is everything. If you're a biker and you're skipping this, screw you, man. Unsubscribe. We don't look here. We're not a cager. We're a biker. So we will look there. All these cars, right? But you also have this for bikes. Bikes. I didn't come here for a World Super Bike. I came here for this parking lot, man. You can see it from here, man. You can see it from here. They're all parked there. Oh my god. They're over there, guys. I'm gonna catch them all. What happens now is everyone is just trying to feel their backbone again, because they've been sitting on the bikes forever. And it starts here, man. Look, it's a nice Kawa. It would be weird to handing over carts right now, so I'm gonna do it subtle, right? I'm gonna put them in their, like, what's this called? Right here. Right here. Boop. Alright, see you guys soon.
Rico? Rico? Oh no, never mind. Not everyone rides a R1, right? Alright, we're actually through the gates right now and you can hear the bikes already. Ah! In 13 minutes the Super Bowl is gonna start for the super bikes. We still have some time to find a good spot. I'm gonna message the guys from Discord to see if they're here. If not, I'm just gonna find my own spot.
Vol prachtig gezicht en de...
Oh my Lord! I have to put my... Oh, hang on a second, man. I'm deaf.
In de wedstrijd van de met een blond neergezet door Bautista in 2022 in 33 komende 5 ronden. Toch wel heel knap weer voor deze inhaalrace. Fantastisch wat hier Bautista laat zien op het TT-circuit. 2 coureurs binnen een paar seconden. Ja, wat jij zegt, Corné, Raskatlioglu heeft het moeilijk. Ja, ook nu Sam Loos, die in de buurt zit van Raskatlioglu, gaat er zo meteen ongetwijfeld voorbij. En dan zakt Toprak terug naar de 7e plek. Oh! Hij komt wel heel erg dichtbij hoor, Bautista. Echt heel knap. Zien we Nicolo Bautista? Prachtig wat Alvaro Bautista hier laat zien. Beide Ducatis natuurlijk het begin gemaakt door de Ducati van
On my way to Frank and Lisa. They are right above me. I want to watch the big race together with them. It's a beautiful day! Ah! I really like this, man. Found them.
Deze show- en marching band Mercurius het wil helpen spelen. Dat is een heel bijzonder moment natuurlijk op deze donderdag. GT-bocht natuurlijk, maar ook op de en ook natuurlijk daarbij de avond. Prachtig nummer. Achter Remy Gardner.
Ja, dan kan we straks niet kan beter gaan.
Wat is Michael van der Mark? Ja, maar dit gedaan. Ik sta bij Gardner. Maar ook aan dit ook gisteren dat podium voor. Trok boven de baan. Nu aan de rij. Ja, met de
Time to go sellout mode. I can't put it anywhere. Maybe here though. No, maybe here? I'll put it here. He's too rich. Tell me you don't think about GTA when you see these headlights. It's the same livery. Subscribe. I like this one. Pretty nice, man. This feels so wrong, man. It's like touching somebody else's wife or something. You don't do that. That's haram. It's just nice to hand over these things, man. I'm too shy to hand over them after making a chat with you guys. So I'm doing it this way. This is only awkward for me, right? Not for you. I'm jealous. Take care of this bike, please. RC8! Yes! Yes! I forgot to bring a cable with me, so I'm not able to charge the camera. I'm gonna continue for I think 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna end it here. Guys, thank you so much for watching. It was an amazing day. I'm gonna head home. Maybe I'll add that as well. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Bye! Frank, Lisa, Frank, and the other lady that I don't know the name of. Thank you so much for watching these races with me. Thank you so much, TT Assen. I'm gonna enjoy editing this.
Hit that like button if you like this video, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more content like this. And if you want to see more of TT Assen, hit this video. See you in the next one. Bye! Bye!